The shelter disappearing behind me. Well, good morning. It's day 112. Oh, there's some campsites. I didn't even know back here. For as already as hot as it is this morning, there is a really nice breeze blowing right now. So I'll take that. Oh, it's an old halfway point from years past. What year is this? Look at that. They get like a whole monument. We just got a little sheet of Xerox paper. Halfway. So yeah, a historic marker. Well, folks, day 112, you know, one day, first day of the second half of the trail is the day I deployed the freaking bug net. Because it was one of those things I would stop for 5 seconds and like 4 bugs would land on my glasses. I don't know what they are, but they're annoying. And I think it's just a variety, a constellation of bugs. What's that sticking up? I may use this with my other hat because the brim sticks out all the way around and it won't touch me as much. The net won't. But trying it this way for the moment. Breeze feels so good right now. We're in the general store. That's the Wall of Fame. Our travel size stuff. Oh good, there's soap. I need soap. I'll probably eat some chips. And good googly moogly for that. Definitely eat bananas. Saying they have the bug spray as 1 pack of wipes. And it's $10. The most off-brand of off-brand fuel. And finally, guess we're here in Pennsylvania, everything is Hershey's brand. If we were in Vermont, it would all be Ben & Jerry's. Oh, and they do have orange sherbet.
I could make it. If you're going down Ethiopian. Came to watch our suffering. We had to do a strategy switch. The sherbet was too frozen.
Oh, let it thaw a little bit?
Mm-hmm. And we're on to the French now.
Only 82
Oh, wow.
instead of 92.
Shiver-inducing 82.
I know, right?
Well, I had to forego the half-gallon challenge because of the lack of dairy-free options, but I'm going with a half pound of pure American black beans here. And there's fries coming up. There we go. Burger, no ice cream. Like I'm about to do my own version of the half-gallon French fry challenge. I'm gonna have to eat the rest of that burger with utensils because it just disintegrated when I started biting into it. All right, progress check.
My sweetest.
Are you already done with the first one? Wow.
I thought I had them, but I could have.
Hit the wall.
It's not looking good.
What's the time? Oh, they're both
we're at
screensavered. 6,000 calories. Okay,
26
4 minutes to go. That's cutting it close.
It's not gonna happen. Oh, you have to do it under 30?
I mean, that's, no. Who's keeping score? This is not being recorded or anything. What's the number?
2705.
Nice.
I don't feel sick yet, so that's good.
Okay. I'm gonna check out the Appalachian Trail Museum in this very historic looking stone grist mill building with an odd Dutch roof. I got some of these. Hiked down to Pine Grove Furnace General Store. Spent a good half a day there, charging phones and things, digesting food, and hanging out with hikers, which is just about the most fulfilling part of the trail, grand scheme of things. Next stop, something or other shelter in about 7.5 miles. So might be 7:30 or 8 by the time I get there, considering it's 20 till 4. His and hers. All right, which way does the trail go? It says the trail's right here. James Fry Shelter, 7.6. That's where we're headed. And that's the museum. And an old 200 or 300-year-old grist mill. Our paved bike path right now, but it's part of the AT. Well, I just spent 4 hours hanging out at a place that had free Wi-Fi with enough bandwidth for all your Wi-Fi needs, and I totally forgot to download an audiobook. Probably because when I looked at my wish list, nothing popped out at me, and then I got distracted in another conversation or something. There's a beach over there. Maybe I was hiking through on the second hottest day of the year without going to the beach. Still in Pine Grove Furnace State Park. So this is the first one of these I've ever seen, a public work stand provided by Ceres, the bicycle accessory company, rack company. But yeah, it's a bike stand, a QR code with repair instructions and tips, and a bunch of bicycle tools on the end of cables, including a pump. So you can like repair your bicycle here on the side of the trail. How about that? That's pretty cool. Not a lot to say. Just under 4 miles to go. It's still dark. I got hit with a few raindrops earlier, but felt like they were more like carried by the wind. It hasn't actually rained, but I went ahead and put my pack cover on just in case it does. But yeah, just gusts of wind right now. We're just keeping it nice and cool.